Hey guys, I actually had an awesome day today. For one, my boss called me and told me I can go ahead and leave early if I want. Right? Two, it's Friday. Three, I got home and there was a package from Jesse in Oklahoma. I knew there was a package coming, but I didn't know it was coming today. I'm like, hell yeah. Right? So I just popped it open real quick. I didn't pull anything out yet. So I'm gonna go digging this out, show you guys what he sent to me. So Jesse and I, we've been kind of sending each other stuff back and forth. So first of all, he sent me, looks like it's a tanker. It's a Chevrolet tanker. It has no trucks, but that's all good because I have an idea for this. I'm gonna, yeah, you'll see. Cool. That's pretty cool though. This is one of those, back in the day, long time ago, I had one of these. This was a track cleaner, and I believe it was around 1960. This one's Ford, and it's missing the track cleaning wheels. It has these little scrubbers. There's a cover? Yeah. Oh. And there's one of them. It looks like, okay, this is going to need a little bit of work. But I'm pretty sure you guys have seen one of these before, right? I had a black and white Santa Fe one years ago. This will look pretty cool in a like a Mao train. Paint this away. That's going to be kind of trippy to tweak with. I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, check that out. This is a Caboose that matches the Chevy tanker. See that? I have an idea for this with the tanker. I'm going to make this an office. Going to build a deck. Going to put the tanker up high. Kind of like that. Behind it with a wood frame. Kind of make a Chevy oil company kind of thing. It'd be kind of cool. And there's a bunch of little things in here. Here's some people, which is cool because I didn't have any remaining. I have maybe 10 altogether. I don't have very many people to deal with, so this will be cool. That is something I'm going to show you last. That's something he told me about. Pop. Okay, these are pieces to the locomotive. Okay, these are pieces to that track cleaner engine. Okay, some more gizmos to mess with. Oh, those are little Athearn clips, the little plastic clips for the couplers. Always need those. And this is the last thing here. I wanted to show you this. He told me about this. He was sending. These are pure silver. So I believe they're each 1 ounce. I'm not sure if I could take them out of it. I don't know if you could touch these. But I want to put this up to the camera so you guys can see. I believe silver right now is about $31 an ounce. So with 3 ounces, that's like $93 worth of silver. I'm gonna put this aside and hold on to it for a while. Thank you very much, Jesse. Very much appreciated. And your next box is actually right here. It's being sent tomorrow. See you later, guys. Oh, wait a minute. One more thing. Not only did I have a great day today, but when I came home, I turned on my YouTube. 200 subscribers. I never thought that I would get 100. This is just a channel I was just trying to show friends what I've been doing with this little train set. Blow me away. I want to thank all of you. You guys rock, alright? Peace out.